Hello friends, welcome to my first YouTube tutorial on Scratch. So let's start. Scratch is block-based programming language that allows children of age 8 to 16 to create their own stories, games and animations and share them online. Scratch is developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Research Group at the MIT Media Lab. To open the Scratch, please visit the website scratch.mit.edu. And to download the offline version of Scratch, go to scratch.mit.edu/download. So we will go here scratch.mit.edu. This is the Scratch website. To join the website, click here. Choose your username. Create your password. And then click next. Select the country you live in. Click next. Select the month and year you were born. Then click next. Select your gender here. Then click next. Enter your email address here. Click on create your account. Click on get started. You will get notification here to confirm your email. Click here to confirm your email account. Okay. So from here you can create new project on Scratch. So this is the main interface of the Scratch. This is called the sprite and this is the sprite list. This is the sprite name that you can change. This is the visibility of sprite. This is the size of sprite, you can change. This is the direction. This is the X and Y position of the sprite. If you want to add new sprite, choose here. This background is called stage. If you want to change the background of the stage, this is the stage block. You can choose it from here. This block is called script area. This is called the block descriptions. This is the name of the project. You can save your project from here. If you want to create new project, click here. Save your project as a copy. This is load from your computer. If you have created your project using the offline version, so you can load it from here. You can save your project to your computer also. This is the share button so that you can share your project with others. Here you can add notes, links. To download the offline version of Scratch, you can go scratch.mit.edu/download. Here are choose your OS for Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android. You can download for Windows. Click here to run your setup for offline version. Click on install. Click finish. This is the offline version of Scratch. So this is the offline version of Scratch program. Now you can also check your projects from here, my stuff. This is the first project. This is also copy of the project. This is the shared project. You can check shared projects from here, unshared projects from here. Okay, so that's it. We have checked how to join the Scratch and also check how to download the offline version of Scratch. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Hope you all enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you. Bye.